welcome back to my channel. Today I have some happy mail, PR happy mail to share with you guys. If you guys know, I am part of the PR team for Todopapel.com. I haven't had any videos lately because Dolores has been super busy, which I am so excited for her. Her shop's been really busy. I'm super glad for her. I always wish her the best with her shop, and she truly deserves it. Her shop is amazing. If you guys haven't yet checked it out, go check it out. If you guys love everything pink, definitely go check it out. She is your girl. If you guys love paper clips, she is your girl. I call her the queen of the paper clips because her paper clips are just super amazing. They are on point and they are just so perfect, and I love them so much. So she actually sent me some happy mail and I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I do have Dolores' I have her Todopapel information in my Instagram, in my link tree. So if you guys ever need to find it with easy access, just go to my link tree. I always have her website linked down below, as well as my coupon code. It's Ellie's code 15. I'll leave it right here for you guys. And you guys can save yourself a little discount, 15% off your purchase. And like I said, it's definitely worth it. Go check it out. She has a lot of amazing goodies. So once you open the box, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I love it. Alright, so over here it has some little like shred paper. We're going to go ahead and put that to the side. And it just has a little card. These are little dashboards that she sells in collections or in singles. So again, you can use these to decorate all kinds of fun planners, TNs, flip books, all kinds of fun things. So it says, some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. I love that. And then she put her little note for me in the back. And then once you open it up, look at all of these goodies. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So we're going to go ahead and just start digging in. So the first one is a paper clip. They're all mostly, looks like they are all mostly paper clips. But this is a Halloween pink skeleton with a gold paper clip. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. So again, if you guys are interested in any of the paper clips that I'm going to show you, just write it down and head over to her website, use that code, and save yourself some money. So here we have the pink skeleton. Oh, he's so cute, and he's like on pleather, and what do you call these? The stitching is amazing. She is so good. And then over here we have the Minnie Mouse with the Halloween bow. How cute is that? I love it. Over here we have the Hocus Pocus coffee mug. Look at how cute that is. Again, it's on a gold paper clip, handmade by her. Oh, she is just so talented. And then over here is the little turkey gobble gobble for your Thanksgiving spreads. Look at those colors, that glitter, and it even has a little bow at the top of her head. She is so cute. Over here we have the pink Christmas tree. Look at how cute this is. Do you see the stitching and the little ornaments on it? It's so cute. I'll take out the packaging in a minute so you can see it better. But here we have the Mary, which is the ornament. And then over here we have the Halloween spell pot. Isn't that cute? And it has a little bow at the corner. Over here we have the pink and black haunted house. Oh yes, I love this. Then we have the pink pumpkin. Absolutely cute. It has a silver bow. And then over here we have the pink Christmas present with the white bow. Yeah, with the white bow. Super cute. Over here we have the fall leaf. So cute. Then we have some fun. She does sell doilies, and look at the size. It's so cute. It's almost like a little bigger than the palm of my hand. So if you guys love doilies like me, she has them in different colors, pastels, right? So again, go check her out. There's a ton in here. So yeah, check out her doilies. Those are white. And then over here we have the Minnie Mouse in burgundy, or the Mickey head. Look at how, and it's fuzzy. Over here we have another turkey, gobble gobble. And then we have the fall leaf. Look at how cute that is. And then here we have another fall themed leaf with gold stitching and glitter. And then we have the Grinch with his Christmas hat. He's so cute. Oh, I love that. And then over here we have another ornament, but this one looks like the little light bulb, or like the Christmas light. And then here we have like a little hot cocoa, or like a hot coffee with the gold bow, and then it looks like a cinnamon stick. So cute. And then here we have this little paperclip collection. So she does sell them individually, or she does sell them in a pack like this. Or you can, you know, put your little collection together as well. So look at how cute. So you have the black bat with the pink stitching, the black and white spider, the cute black and white pumpkin, or the pink pumpkin with the black and white bow. We have the candy corn, and then the spider, but with the bow. So it's the hers and hers. So cute. And then she sent me some handmade with love stickers. So if you guys have a shop, or you guys do your own orders, these are fun. You guys can order a couple of these and then just send them with your orders. I love that. She sent me another of this coffee latte. So cute. And then, yes, I'm digging these. She sent me some die cuts. So let's go ahead and open these up. But first, let me show you guys these. I believe these are pens. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this pen is. It's a Todopapel.com. That's her website. Go check her out. I'm going to tell you that all the time. And it's just a little clip. It's purple. It feels really nice. Almost like a silk smooth, and then it has the silver lining with the black top. I love it. I want to see how this writes. Oh my gosh, it writes so smoothly. I love that. I'm gonna use that for work. And then here we have another one. Awesome. So cute. Thank you so much, Dolores. I love everything. I love everything. So cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm probably gonna make a mess and not remember what goes where, but I'm gonna take these out so you guys can see them in case you're interested in ordering these little die cuts. Look at how cute this is. It's the little coffee mug with the hot chocolate steaming, and it has the marshmallows and the candy canes. It has the winter boot. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. And it has the planner. I always call them planner girls because I don't know, why not? She's holding her mug, and then we have the little deer with his antlers, and they're decorated with Christmas lights. Here we have another girl. She's so pretty. And then we have the wreath. Over here we have the scarf. Look at how cute that scarf is. Super fashionable. And then here we have the Christmas girl holding the wreath. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Christmas. Here we have the heart. And then this one's just like a little scenery with 3 Christmas trees in the back. And then this one. This girl, and she has her like little hoodie with her scarf and her boots. And she's so cute. I love that. So again, you can order this entire pack of super cute die cuts, and you can do a lot of things with these. So just to show you guys really quick, the paper clips, I probably should have did it all, but that's what that one looks like. Look at how cute these are. Do you see that shininess? We already saw this one. I won't open that. And then here we have the Grinch. Here we have the leaf. I probably should have did this while I was talking. Here we go. Because now I'm like doing it twice. Here we go. Look at how cute that is. And then the turkey. I love the turkey. She's so cute. Look at those colors. I love it. Then we have the Mickey. And again, she's fuzzy. So cute. Feels like slippers. We got the doilies. And then we have the leaf. And then we got the pumpkins. Look at that, iridescent. Took them all out of the packaging to save some more time. Here we have that light bulb again, the skeleton, the Mickey, the Hocus Pocus. I love this one. Oh, here's the turkey again. The ornament that says Mary on it. The haunted house, so cute. The Christmas tree. The Christmas present, and the pot of spell, or whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. That is everything that she sent me. I'm so excited. I can't wait to look through these even more. And I'm actually going to be doing like little giveaways, little surprise giveaways here and there, random giveaways. I'm going to be giving away a few of these paper clips. And so just stay tuned. Make sure you're watching all of my videos. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're following the Lotus on Instagram. And I will just, whenever I do a video, I will do a random giveaway, so you won't know when the giveaway is going to happen, but it will happen. I'm going to give a few of these away, so definitely stay tuned for that. Go check out Todopapel.com. Let her know I sent you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!